I really liked this training because it was very hands-on. You started with the problem and you had to solve it by learning the tool. Whenever you're trying to learn on your own, that's what happens is you come across a problem and you have to figure out how to solve it. And I felt like that it really helped me learn what I was trying to learn and just to understand the Power BI program itself. My favorite aha moment from the training was just how to flow through Power BI in a more effective way. I was trying to use it myself and I was struggling. And with this training, I was able to navigate through the different pages using the different tiles and making the data visual in a much faster way.
I'd never worked in Power BI, but I'd worked in Power Query through Excel, and it just seemed a lot more labor intensive the way I was doing it in the past to the way Greg showed me with replicating that table for the dim tables.
I think our team is most excited about the ability to visualize the data. Right now we have a lot of paper reports that are spreadsheets, but the visualization helps everyone on our team understand the relationships between the data, and then we can see the impact that's made with the data as we make changes and drive improvements.
I'm very excited to now be able to have access to the data that my company already had, but it was hard to extract that data and make it visual. So now our operators are going to be more excited to hit their numbers, to show what quality, find the quality sooner than before, all the way down to seeing the sales dollars amount.
So I showed this to all my colleagues in the sales department, and they're going to be coming to me and say, Jack, how did you do this? I want to understand what's going on behind the scenes so that I can create my own, because I've got some ideas how I would want to present this data. In a matter of time, in a year or so from now, we're going to just be feeding off of each other, and it's going to be very powerful.